Welcome. This video demonstrates the MailAVM-Sys basic functions. First, I will describe the screen layout.
Each screen consists of four main objects. The header, which contains operation status information, the screen name, station name and user ID, the PLC status, and buttons for language selection, and user login. As well as an alarm and warning display. Then there is the main work area of the screen. The content of each screen will vary depending on the function. Next, there are prompt messages, and finally the navigation bar. Now I will describe the contents of the main screen's work area. All screens have a book icon that when pressed will take you to the document display and open the corresponding manual. You can see here that the GOT main screen manual is opened. Some, but not all screens, will have a question mark icon that opens up a legend. These legends describe the screen's various indicators and their different states. You can see this legend explains the different states of the operation status indicators that are present in the header, as well as the PLC status indicator, also present in the header. There are also the safety icons and their meanings,
And general items that appear on multiple screens. And finally, indicators for the SD memory card if one is present.
Now using the demo window, I will explain the different functions of the main screen. I will simulate a warning message, an alarm message, and a prompt message. The main screen also has 12 buttons, one being predefined to reset faults,
which I can do now that I've disabled the fault that I simulated earlier.
Now I will show the main screen's safety status indicators changing state. Pressing the image in the background of the main screen will take you to the operations overview screen.
Next, I will explain screen navigation.
Screen navigation can be accomplished using two methods. The first is by using the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. It contains 10 buttons, one for each function menu. Pressing a button will open that function's menu, with 10 or more buttons. The function button will be highlighted yellow when its menu is open. Pressing a function's button when its menu is open will close the menu. Pressing any of these will navigate to the screen listed on the button. The function button will be highlighted blue if the current screen is part of that function group. The 10 function menus of the navigation bar are Overview, Manual, Diagnostics, Alarms, Production, maintenance, and information. There are also 3 user-definable function menus. The second navigation method is to press on the screen name in the header, which will navigate to the screen navigation screen. This screen contains buttons to navigate to every screen. Note that this screen may also be navigated to using the Info function menu in the navigation bar.
Now I will describe the Operations Overview screen.
The Operations Overview screen contains indicators and pictures for all operations. Only 2 are configured for this demo, but up to 12 are supported.
Displayed for each operation is the operation name, its OEE percentage, its description, and an overview picture.
The operation name is also a status indicator that shows if the operation is in auto or manual.
Note that these indicators also match the status indicators in the header. Next, I will describe the System screen.
The System screen contains a System Alarms display, buttons for resetting GOT errors and clearing alarm history, and 3 push buttons for special GOT functions, accessing the GOT utility screen, screen cleaning, and enabling or disabling demo mode.
Now, I will explain the Password Maintenance screen.
The Password Maintenance screen contains information on the currently logged in user and their security level. There are 4 security levels, level 4 being the one with the most privileges. There are also 2 buttons, one for logging in and out. I will demonstrate logging in as the default level 4 user. The second button is for accessing the Operator Information Management screen, where users and passwords can be managed.
Next, I will describe the PLC Status screen.
The PLC status screen contains information for the standard PLC, as well as the safety PLC if one is configured. For this demonstration, we will not have a safety PLC. There are also 2 buttons, one for resetting CPU errors, and one for accessing the Device Monitor special function of the GOT.
Finally, I will describe the Ethernet screen.
The Ethernet screen contains Ethernet network information for the CPU and for the HMI. Thank you for watching.